Hi, welcome back to my channel. Like the first clip said, today I chose to be calm, happy, and positive. Then I went to the grocery store. No, just kidding. But grocery shopping is not my favorite. But I did catch some good deals. And I will not be purchasing that again. It had such a weird tart taste, almost like it was bad. The bacon was great, the chicken was great. This is the Whole Foods dinner family pack. It's supposed to feed 4 people, but since there are only 2 of us at home now, I split it over these 2 containers and I was able to get 4 meals out of it. Spoiler alert, it was amazing. I will try to add some to the end of the video and let you know just what I thought of it. These are the additional 2 servings that I was able to get and pop those into the freezer. Looking forward to having them again. I whipped out my handy dandy Bunsen food sealer. Just a heads up, this video is not sponsored in any way, but I will try and remember to link the sealer and a few other things in the description box. Before really getting into sealing the chicken up, I made a couple of pouches where I just sealed one end of them, cut them to size, and then I went ahead and cleaned the chicken and put a few pieces into each pouch and then sealed them shut. So that's all I'm doing right here. Now, I think I wind up with maybe about 8 bags. Well, 8 of the packages that I have vacuum sealed, and those will be going out to the chest freezer in the garage. Now for something a little different. I found this Badia Ham Seasoning at a local Asian farmer's market. I haven't tried it, but if anyone has, please go ahead and list it in the description box. Not sure what it's exactly for. I'm thinking for anywhere you would use maybe a smoked pork or bacon for flavoring, dishes like greens or beans, things like that. I'm trying to be a little more health conscious, so I definitely passed on it this time. It's probably got a wicked sodium content, but I may circle back next time I'm in the store and check it out. A quick shout out to Kroger's Private Selection Sushi. This stuff, I really enjoyed it. I'm the only one who eats sushi. The mister is not here for it. This came with a sweet soy glaze that was really, really good. It just popped into the air fryer. It is in the freezer section. Definitely good. I will buy this again. And finally, a quick revisit to this Whole Foods chicken scallopine. This really was good. Like I said earlier, I was able to separate this into 4 meals. We had it that night and it was delicious. The portions are good. The potatoes, the mashed potatoes, they taste just like homemade. They were really good. The chicken had a lovely flavor, very mild, but it was good. It was really good. The green beans had a little extra snap to them. I think next time I may take them out and cook them separately and then go ahead and warm the whole thing. But like I said, I popped 2 servings into the freezer. I'm hoping they will thaw and reheat nicely. But it's a fantastic price for, a pretty solid meal, especially a meal that I didn't have to cook for myself. The other thing I was thinking about is this would have been a great option for anyone doing a meal prep, especially someone single. If you ate one a week, that's a month of, pretty nice meal. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed.